Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a program which allows you to get unlimited items in family Farm Seaside game. Everything what you have to do to get this is come to YavTeam.com site and download this for this post. You can see screen these three stores, mirrors, reviews and more informations about game, how to use, features and screen with working proof of course. Folds and again two mirrors. Okay, blended fire, open. Okay, now take your device to computer by cable. Wait a moment please. Okay, phone is connected now. Okay. Now choose device in this place. My example is Android phone and click the tab. Okay, detected. Now choose how much items do add in this place, something like that, and check special features. Remember about anti-ban special and click the tag. You can see how the store works in space. Profile. Okay. Now please wait a moment, I will check my phone. Refresh game. Okay, items added. Yes, that's everything. Thanks for watching.